काट देना, गोल ही काट देना। ले लो।
भाई बंदी में इतने फुटेज मत मेरी शूट कर, सुबह से खाली बैठे बैठे बोर हो गए।
आपके पीछे
देख वहाँ भी एक चेयर के वहाँ मार दिया, निकालो।
वो अभी भी देखो प्रसाद तो धूल है बिल्कुल।
एक्शन।
शीतल,
Walk looking very thanda and very looking very tired and all that. Maintain that energy entry with energy and that's it.
नितेश
Thank you. The bed and turn close the door. Okay.
लुक वो लुक नहीं
No, just casual. Don't look at everyone. Okay. You show me one more.
हाँ
Action. Okay. You take Hital.
हाँ
Don't need to keep the thing.
ओके
You close the door only. Just turn around and close the door.
ओके
चलिए. Ready. अभी ऐसे ही कर दो. कौन दिनों बच्चे होते हैं? Maybe bring her and come here, no? Yeah. Okay. You bring her and come here and include it. And that conversation is here.
कहाँ है? You don't miss it. No, I think we should plan for it. Let's do that.
You come out from there looking. Let's see that. Deo wo dialogue बताओ.
The Tempest.
door is shut bro
Yeah. No. Don't. Yeah, she comes.
Very interesting. इतने सारे books आपके है क्या?
ऐसा है.
है ना?
Yeah, I know. So that we need the chip.
क्यों एक मॉडल की
Okay, so that's the
कॉस्मोस हो सकती है क्या
I thought. है ना?
Then.
क्यों एक
So Cosmo हो सकती है क्या? I think you need to move out. One second. While speaking, you move out. Don't finish the line there. बोलते बोलते move out. Yeah.
I thought.
Okay.
I sit
Wait the scene. Is it the same thing?
है ना?
No, there is.
And then he is over there. Yeah, ठीक है.
no 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 that's my line क्यों एक मॉडल के घर में सिर्फ कॉस्मोस हो सकती है क्या
Yeah.
It's in this one, no?
Yeah.
Ah,
He says Cosmo हो सकती है क्या? He turns around and says that.
This is,
He changed that. So Cosmo हो सकती है क्या करके you move and you come and sit here.
as a kid,
And she's looking at you.
लोग हमेशा कहते हैं models are dumb. I think they're really smart. Go through her. So when she says that, I'll say, I've said that. I'll come in this breaks and I'll say, लोग कहते हैं models are dumb.
बोलते बोलते you come.
Yeah, लोग कहते हैं models are dumb.
I think they're
I
really.
don't think so. I think they're really intelligent.
And then he says, chill.
So where are your parents? नहीं तो तुम अकेले थे.
Family. The family. He says, so that mood changes. He says, ठीक अभी पहले. So till here.
Okay.
Till where's your family?
So starts there. Does it move continuously? It will be doing study camp.
Till you come and sit here. Till you come and sit here, it's on this shot.
Come. Let's do.
Zero.
Is it study camp?
I take
It's
off
that. No study camp.
One sec. Start.
वो line
इतने सारे बुक्स आपके है क्या? आप तुम्हारे L. Is it well?
Cosmo is more known as a
Cosmo, but L.
You want
L sounds like L.
But Pawan,
Fashion magazines or something.
fashion magazines. Correct.
Call
Why,
it
what's wrong with Cosmo? It's generic with fashion magazine.
I don't know why. Here's the benefit of the.
No, I'll tell you why. Because it spoils it for both. It's not for them and fashion magazine. You know those guys who
Fashion magazine nice or not?
no. The fashion magazine is nice, but it's not for them.
सेटअप थोड़ा
So I think fashion magazine is better.
ये फ्रेम में
Alright.
आगे लिए थोड़ा सेंटर पर अपने आप यहाँ मिल जाएगा
What is Brahm all about? Brahm means क्या है exactly?
Brahm का मतलब है illusion. Brahm is all about an illusion which a girl has towards life.
23rd को नहीं है?
It's an illusion another character in my film, my brother, has towards life. It's an illusion I have towards life. सबके पास एक भ्रम होते हैं. So that's why we named it Brahm, this film, because in this particular film the girl has a very bad illusion towards life, towards relationships. This movie is about relationships, between a relationship between two brothers, a relationship between a man and a woman, and how it comes a point in the film where one has to choose between certain relationships and figure out life basically.
Then what's your illusion in life? Like, what is
My illusion in life, I have a, luckily my upbringing was so good कि मेरा जो भ्रम है ज़िंदगी के बारे में, it's been wonderful. I've loved. I mean, it's a beautiful, very beautiful is the word. It's a very beautiful look towards life which I have. That is my भ्रम. ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं जिनके बचपन में शायद कुछ घटनाओं की वजह से the illusion towards life changes completely. Yeah, illusion towards a certain aspect of life.
फैन करो ना बल
हुआ अभी यहाँ से जाओ पीछे
लो जाओ ना जाना
क्लियर आ रहा है लेफ्ट साइड के फ्रंट
ये जरूरी है हाँ हो जाएगा ये तेल निकाल के
देख ले
शॉर्ट करो डबल करो तो कम करो कम करिए और कम कर कैसा
Not necessary. The other models are all dumb, but then again, look at you, young, beautiful, intelligent. You read all these books, living and surviving alone in this big fat city.
Okay, one more please. एक सेकंड ना सुनो पहले लो मत जाओ लो जाएगा तो फिर सीलिंग आता है तो उसको भी कट जाएगा उसके साथ ही फिर नीचे जाओ जैसे वो बैठती है नीचे जाओ जस्ट डू इट लिटिल स्लोली द मूवमेंट डोंट सेट फास्ट ओके एंड शीतल यू गो बैक only when Dino has sat on when he touched but on the
Chair.
couch. So then you go back. Okay, one more. Let's see it once again.
Only what is Brahm all about? What kind of illusion they are trying to show in the story?
Actually, Brahm is a very strong relationships story. A relationship between two brothers and what happens to that relationship when a girl enters into the life of the younger brother. That is what the basic film is about. So it's got strong, intense drama. It's got a very strong love story within it. And there is a little mystery about something that happened 10 years ago in the story, which is what the whole thing, the whole Brahm is about. But that I can't reveal to you because otherwise it will reveal the suspense part of the story. And eventually when you realize the meaning of Brahm, it's very philosophical, as to how we all human beings at some point or the other live in an illusion of some kind and how that can affect our lives. That's what.
We call it it's a dramatic story, like how.
Yes,
and
yes.
It's something a little tough, it's a mature subject.
It is a mature subject. It is a mature subject, and it is very highly dramatic. It is high drama.
So just talking about this particular scene, why on this particular coming all the way up to this place, So
Well, we looked for I wanted a nice apartment for the girl's house, and she's somebody who's doing very well, in her career. So she has money. She also comes from a rich background. So I thought that she should have a nice penthouse somewhere with a view of the sea and things like that. That's the way I thought her character would like to live. And we couldn't find a location where we could get a house like that, So there was no option but to put up a set. And Horizon suddenly came to my mind as having a nice terrace which is with a sea view. So that's why we put up the set here. And 12 floors walking up and down is the price you pay for a good location.
These are books. Not necessarily. कहते हैं what is a dumb? But anyway, I think they're smart. Look at you, beautiful, intelligent. You read all those books. So I think it's a big bad city. Not bad. Where's your family? Where's your family?
This is very good.
When you're reaching here, you're taking your longish walk, and then you're sitting. Reach here and go. Reach here and just sit. Here you wait. Then as Vino comes here, you've got to move there. Here also, if you keep standing, you overlap. So, the moment you reach here, you sit down. The moment he sits here, you get back. But slow, don't make a sudden break. Okay? Like a synchronizing. Now, I think one more rehearsal. One rehearsal.
One final rehearsal. Nice, bro, man. Go on. Go on, man.
Okay, Dino. Start sound. बराबर देखा ना हेडस्पेस. And action.
These are books.
कट क्या हो रहा है?
And action. Cut. चलो. And action.
These are books. Not necessarily. Models are done, but many. I think they are really intelligent.
Go back,
Look at you, beautiful, intelligent. You read all these books.
illusion. What's
Right.
your Brahm or illusion all about?
Well, I can't reveal that Brahm right now. We'll have to go and watch the film. Well, it's an interesting character that I'm playing in this film. Quite a very strong character. Very complex, I would say. So I think to the audience to go and watch. Can't reveal much of the story.
But this particular scene, what exactly is the scene happening?
Right now, okay, this is one of the montage that we are shooting right now in the film. One sequence.
One last question, something
Yeah.
about Pawan, like how is he?
Yeah, well, he's a great director. He's a big taskmaster, great teacher, I would say, learning a lot from, and very supportive. He's really good.
Finding any difficulty while shooting?
Kind of, since it's my first film, and the role is quite challenging though. So, yeah, I do get nervous, which is very obvious. So, but working out very good.
All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, let's see one. Okay, Shikhar. That's out.
Short fight, take one.
Action.
So where's your family?
Start.